My name is Jennifer Robson. I work at Street in Gainesville, Georgia. Backpack Love is a backpack feeding program here in Gainesville City, Hall County, and some Gwinnett County schools. We deliver a backpack full of food that feeds a family every Friday throughout the school year. And we also have a food pantry where individuals can come in and get free food. America's Home Place today, in the nasty cold weather, is graciously packing out the bags for a Backpack Love program. So when the bags are packed next Friday, they'll be delivered to all the school systems that we serve. America's Home Place has helped Street in many different ways. They have helped with resources and volunteers with our Street Impact, and then they have helped in many different fundraising opportunities, like being sponsors for our dinner banquet and our 5K. The biggest thing has been to build a residential home for women who have been sexually exploited.
I'm Cody Sparks. I'm a project manager at the Gainesville office. We do a lot with Street Ministries, and we do a lot of other community outreach stuff. We work with some of their other impact ministries and things like that. And today we're here doing Backpack Love, packing backpacks and things like that for kids to take food home on the weekends. As far as I'm aware, America's Home Place has been giving back to the community for as long as it's been around. I've been with the company for 2 years, and we've been doing it, ever since I've been here.
I'm Christine Singleton, and I am the office coordinator at the Gainesville sales office. We're very blessed to be part of a company that likes to give back to the community. Every month we have the opportunity to share and serve the community, and so this month we've chose to give to Backpack Love.